and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share meeting notes with Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share meeting notes with Notion, all you gotta do is simply tap open Notion. Once you open your Notion, to share meeting notes in it, you need to use the meet command. You need to simply type in /meet command to create an AI meeting notes. You need to record the meeting for automatic transcription and summary, add manual notes and mention colleagues, and then use the share button to invite specific people or teams with set permissions, or connect to Notion calendar for seamless sharing with attendees. You can simply create meeting notes, you can record and collaborate, share your notes itself, and this is how you can simply use your Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon with many interesting and updating videos like this.